What's going on, guys? Welcome to Battle Bladers Part 6, and we know what the next battle is, which is Lightning L Drago 100 hold flat against Storm Aquario 100 flat slash sharp, or 100 hold flat slash sharp, or 105 hold flat slash sharp, either one of them. But comment these going to win down below, and let's get started round number 1. All right. So shoot. I got Aquario in sharp mode. Attack hold flat mode. And L Drago takes round 1. So shoot. Alright, and L Drago knocks out 2-0. Oh, nice. Alright, Aquario with the knockout. So shoot. Okay, 3-1. Wow, all right, 4-1. Let's see if this is going to be the final. Okay, Aquario falls out the stadium. Oop, messed up my walls there. Go shoot. All right, let's see if this is going to be the final. And it is. All right, so Lightning L Drago demolishes his Storm Aquario just like in the anime. So El Drago will be moving on. So it was a change of events. So I think in the last one, well, Rock Aries won, so it may be having to go against Sagittario in the coming rounds because it has to take place of Poison Serpent. So yeah, I had to figure that out when we get to it. I have to look at Battle Bladers again to figure it out. But hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned for more tomorrow, more Battle Bladers. So with that being said, see you guys tomorrow.